Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Unanet. So, if you are new to this one and you are a beginner, then this video is for you. Now, right here on Unanet, in order for you to sign up for an account or to get a demo, you have to contact. Okay, so you have to contact them first. Okay, so you just have to click on the get started option at the top after you search on your search bar at the top unanet.com. Okay, and then right here you have to connect with an expert. Okay, so you have to type out right here your first name, your last name, and you should have your business email, your phone number, and then you have to use your company name. You have to type out right here the company name. Okay, and then the number of employees, and then the company type, and then you have to select here your products, and we have here the company HQ location, and then the business challenge. And then after that, you have to click on this box right here that you have agreed to receive other communications from Unanet. And after that, you just have to click on the get started option. Now, if you still need help for internet support, you have to call this number right here. Okay, so since we cannot really connect to an expert, what we are going to do here is I am going to focus on explaining to you the CRM GovCon and then the CRM AEC. Okay, so let's start with the CRM GovCon right here. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. And then right here, as you can see, in government contracting, winning more means taking the best information from your team. So your research and your ERP and combining it into differentiated proposals efficiently. Unanet offers the only comprehensive, purpose-built solutions with comprehensive capabilities to accelerate growth in government contracting. Right here, we have key things you can do with Unanet CRM. So we have capture management, pipeline management, and then the proposal creation, and the AI enhanced and smart technology. Now let's start with the capture management. So here you can leverage accurate real-time data from across your organization to make informed decisions about which contracts to pursue without wasting time and money on low probability efforts. Okay, so we just have to click on the learn more option right here. Okay, now for the efficiently guide your team to more contracts. So you can turn your knowledge of opportunities into winning strategies and bring your whole organizations along with you. So integrate your people, plans, processes, and tools into the Unanet platform easily to operate at maximum efficiency. Okay, so right here we have easily update information. So update and organize customer and opportunity info. So easily add contacts, append email update, and stay up to date with their customers and partner relationships through their simple and unique Outlook integration. And right here for the custom process gates to make better decisions faster. So whether you match the Shipley method fully or do you own thing, their software can help. So configurable PWI and formula make it easy for you to assess which deals are best for your company. And here for the organized optimal workflow, so keep everyone informed and empowered. So assign tasks, track status, and stay aligned. Leverage accurate real-time data across your organization to make informed decisions about which contract to pursue without wasting time. Now, for the key things you can do with Unanet CRM right here, we have Outlook and mobile, purpose-built document repository, simple integration for intelligence and ERP, update and understand relationship, configurable PWIN, add and manage contacts on the fly. Now, going back here on these four highlighted key points. So the next one is we have the pipeline management. So drag and drop sales pipeline editing, view tasks, win rate, sales versus goals, and open bids at glance. So we just have to click on this one to see the details. Okay, right here. So you can make better decisions. Insight at a glance, details in a click. So the comprehensive data from every interaction in market intelligence means you can stay up to date without needing so many meetings or constant requests for updates from your employees in the field. Right here, you can also create a clear vision and stick to it. Unanet combines ease of use with flexible ways to configure your process, gating, and funnel. Align your team on where you want to go and then templated or custom dashboards to keep you focused. Now, you can also manage effectively. So, unified data and tools for automating tasks and workflows means you can spend your time on relationships and create more human connections. So, Unanet helps you create alerts for key activities and their Outlook integration. Okay, so they also have here, you can also manage effectively. So, unified data and tools for automating tasks and workflows. Now, let's go to the CRM AEC. Okay, so let's just keep the last two for the Unanet CRM GovCon. Okay, now right here we have relationship management, pipeline management, proposal generation, AI enhanced and smart technology, and the integration. So let's just go to the integration section. Okay, so right here, Unanet connects, goes beyond APIs, and creates the only platform that automates your business processes, integrating Unanet with a comprehensive library of best-in-class applications. So here we have the featured integrations. Now for the integration library, we have this section right here. So we have ADP, American Express, Argos, Bamboo HR, we have Bill, Bridget Pench, CMD, and more. Okay, so here you can also connect apps, you can automate workflows, empower people, fast result, and you can get more done by moving teams from siloed data and processes to automated insights and workflows. You can also sync data to streamline tasks and stay compliant. Okay, so we have here the featured integrations. So clear insights from pipeline to profit. That's right. So we have HubSpot, we have HRIS. So right here we have the Workday, Greenhouse, ADP, Proliant, Paylocity, Trinet. Now, the Unanet CRM is designed to help businesses streamline their customer relationship management by combining sales, marketing, and project insight in one system. And one of its main advantages is that it gives companies better visibility into their pipeline, helping them track leads, manage proposals, and understand client interactions more clearly. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.